Good morning, everyone. Well, the big story today and through the weekend is going to be the cold, but there's also going to be snow around. So let's start talking about the snow and then we'll transition to talking about the temperatures. Got to mention flurries this morning. They are still around. Not everybody will see snow this morning, but some will. Very light snow, but flurries in spots this morning. I do think by noon, though, the flurries will be gone, and then we will be staying dry through the afternoon hours. Through most of the evening hours. I think at the earliest some flurries could return to the area is about 11 o'clock tonight. And that's probably going to be in the northwestern part of the area. Most of us probably still dry. But another decent chance at snow coming for the early morning hours on Saturday. Why? I hate to say it, but another cold front coming in that's going to make it even colder still. So, during the early morning hours on Saturday, scattered light snow showers across southern Wisconsin. It is going to be a very short window for this scattered snow shower activity, though. I think it's just the early morning hours as this front quickly moves over us. That said, once again, there's kind of a broad area of low pressure behind the front, so what we're going to see, though, the best chance is during the early morning hours. We are going to continue to see the chance for isolated snow showers continue through the day on Saturday. Notice even by 11 a.m., definitely past the peak of the activity, we're just talking about isolated snow showers at this point. Same story, 3 o'clock. By the time we get to the early evening hours on Saturday, just a few stray flurries. And then I think by 11 o'clock Saturday night, flurries coming to an end. Between the snow flurries that we're going to see this morning and the additional snow that we're going to see on Saturday, though, we're talking about really light stuff. So as far as totals go, we're talking about a dusting to no more than 1/4 of an inch. So now it's time to talk about temperatures, starting with today. Look at these high temperatures. Yes, these are our high temperatures this afternoon. Low to mid 20s for most. No warmer than the upper 20s right along the lake. But absolutely not feeling this warm because this afternoon, wind gusts around 30 miles per hour. So when we're hitting these high temperatures this afternoon, look what it's going to be feeling like. 11 degrees, 12 degrees, no warmer than the mid-teens along the lake. And there could be some spots in the northwestern part of the area where it's only going to be feeling like the single digits. Look at that, 9 degrees this afternoon in Baraboo. And so if this is the afternoon, you know Friday night is going to be bad. These are our low temperatures, and we're talking mid to upper teens, but staying breezy, gusts 20-25 miles per hour. So look what it's going to be feeling like tonight. It is going to be feeling like the single digits across the board. A little bit warmer near the lake, but not good by any means. Yes, single digits. That's what you need to be prepared for if you're going out Friday night. And I mentioned that's a cold front coming in on Saturday, so look at high temperatures on Saturday. Now, not a big difference in our high temperatures Saturday versus today, but I bet a lot of places will be a degree or two cooler. And I think the wind might even be a touch stronger. I think gusts could reach around 35 miles per hour on Saturday. So look at our feels like temperatures Saturday afternoon. Look how even more it looks like are only going to be feeling like the single digits. And at the warmest, Kenosha might feel like 14, but that's going to be the warm spot Saturday afternoon. And then where we're going to see the difference is actually Saturday night. Look at low temperatures Saturday night. Lots of single digits showing up. Notice near the lake, even just 12, 13 degrees and still breezy Saturday night. So what does that mean? Yeah, it's going to happen. We're talking about feels like temperatures for Saturday night right around 0 degrees. I mean, look at this, no warmer than maybe 3 degrees, and some are going to see those feels like temperatures reach below 0, particularly in the northwestern part of the area. But even Racine, Kenosha, feeling like 0 degrees Saturday night. So what about Sunday? Well, fortunately, trying to warm up, but not much. Remember that high temperatures for this time of year should be in the mid-40s. Instead, well, at least we're seeing some 30s. Low 30s, upper 20s is what it's looking like. But another day where it's going to be windy, gusts around 30 miles per hour. So not feeling that warm. Better than Saturday, But look at this. Not feeling any warmer in most spots than the mid to upper teens.